Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome back to the channel. Last video was about to the JavaScript introduction and we went and discussed that where we use the JavaScript, what is the scope of the JavaScript and what the JavaScript do. So today inshallah we will work on the code that what can JavaScript do. So I hope so. Last lecture was clear to you. We learned the basics of JavaScript. So today we gonna learn that how JavaScript change the HTML content. Simple. We only do one or two examples to understand the concept that how JavaScript can change. So here I am in my VS Code and I have created a file name that is the intro.html. So here first of all I need to be add the HTML tag this simple content draft for HTML I have created. Now here I'm using some JavaScripts to understand that how JavaScript can change the HTML content. So everything is simple. I need to be take the things simple for you. Okay, so you guys understand that how this code works. So here I'm just creating a button. Sorry, button. So once I have created this button and I'm close this tag, so here inside of this button I need to be add the type that how this button works, that it should be clickable. Okay, so I need to be give the button. Okay, now we are using some JavaScript functions. That here I am using the function that is called on click. On click means that when the user clicks on this button, this is actually this on click function will work. So on click function, what I need to be say, I'm saying document dot get element by id. This I will explain it later that what is this and why I'm using dot inner HTML equals to this codes. Okay, and here I need to give the button name that try me. Sorry, try me. So once I have created this button successfully, now first of all here I am writing a simple paragraph. Okay, in simple paragraph what I am writing that JavaScript can change the HTML content. Okay, so here I have written this one. Okay, so how this works, first of all I need to give the ID, and why I'm giving the ID I will explain each and everything to you later. Here I'm saying the ID demo. So once I have given this ID here in this way, in this bracket I need to be defined that IDs in quotes. So I'm saying this ID. So what I did, now you understand. First of all, I have written a simple this text that HTML can change the HTML content. Sorry, JavaScript. What will happen? Now understand the logic. That one, first of all, I declare the type button that this button should be clickable. Okay, that's fine. Then what I add the on click function. How this on click function works, when the users clicks on this button, what the browser do or what the JavaScript do, actually it will find using this function document dot get element by id, actually it will find this id. So add as this I have given the id in this sentence, so what it will do, this inner HTML, this is the sentence which I have written, this is the inner HTML, actually it will change the new one. So what you want to display, I'm saying change successfully, this message I want to display if this content changed successfully. So once I have done this one, now what it will do, it will find this ID demo, okay, and whatever the existing sentence, it will replace that inner sentence with the new one if it finds the right ID. And if it doesn't find the right ID, it will never replace. Like here I my ID name is demo and here my ID name is demo. As it matches, So it when I click on the button, it will change this old sentence with this new one. So let's move back and go back in the browser. So here I am in my browser. So I am just refreshing the page. So it says JavaScript can change the HTML content, but we are not sure whether it will change or not. Let's try and click the button. I'm saying try me. So once I click this try me button, it's changed successfully. It means that it finds that ID which I provided in document.getElementById method. So it finds the ID. Once it matches the ID, it successfully changed the existing sentence with the new one. Let's try to do some one more example. Let's say here ID is different. Here I'm saying the ID is demo one. Let's see will it will work or not. I need to be go back in the browser and let me refresh the page, and I'm saying try me. Now it says this button is clickable, but that on click method is not working because the ID mismatch. Okay, as you see this button is clickable try me, but it doesn't display anything because that on click method does not work because the ID mismatch. When the ID match, then it will work. Okay, need to be go back in the code. Let's try something else. Okay, here I have written this one. Now let me write. Okay, I have written this one. Now what I need to be says, instead for this one displaying, I'm saying just write, just display nothing. Okay, if the function works, display nothing. Need to be go back in the browser and need to be refresh the page. So once I'm refreshing, try me, does not work. ID is same or different? ID is different, that's why it's not working. When the ID will same, nothing will appear in the screen or in the browser. Let me now go back in the browser. Okay, I refresh, try me. Yes, as you see, nothing is displayed. Okay, only button is displaying nothing because we didn't write anything in inner.html method. Okay, so once we write this one, it will work fine. So here I'm saying I'm just displaying youtube.com. Sorry, it's .com. Okay, so once I have done this one, now if I go back in the browser, as you see youtube.com. So this is how JavaScript can change the HTML content. Very simple guys, very easy. What we did, you just have to create a button first, then you add the JavaScript method, that is the on click. Actually the total story is on this on click. If this on click method works, then all of this JavaScript code will run. And second most important thing is about, you must be conscious about the IDs. ID must be same. If the ID mismatch, the JavaScript code does not work in browser. Okay, and when the id matches and when you have the proper configure the on click method, then everything will work as you seen on the screen. So guys, this is about a small tutorial and short tutorial on JavaScript, that how JavaScript can change the HTML content. Guys, if you like my video, kindly hit the subscribe button and share for more.